horses, we have Kinport. Fast to begin, moving up El Negro, Titanic in the middle, and on the outside, Mount Star. Then followed over by Marnelli, Senorita, Hoy Makati, Going Time, Gold Baron, Petrus Blanc, and Red Soldier is the early trailer. Into the turn, they gallop, we have El Negro by about 2 lengths. And in second is Mount Star. 2 lengths away in third, moving up Kinport alongside Port now moving up is Marnelli, Danori inside, Going Time, Titanic moving up on the outside is Hoy Makati, then followed by number 3 A Senorita, Petrus Blanc, Gold Baron and Red Soldier, and it's still El Negro by about 3 lengths. Going Time now moving up to take second alongside Kinport, then followed by Hoy Makati, Titanic. El Negro, Going Time now takes the lead by about half length. And on the outside comes Kinport as they come down at the last 200. Going Time by our length. And on the outside is Kinport, Titanic in third. But it's still Going Time, followed by Kinport, Titanic in the middle. Going Time, Kinport, Titanic, moving up in the middle portion. It's now Titanic, followed by Going Time, and finally Titanic. Going Time, Petrus Blanc, then comes number 3, Zen Kinport.